profit, okay? So a baker makes a profit P per hour given by this relationship. So what they're telling me is if he makes no profit, that means the P value is 0. So what I do is I replace the P value with 0 and I end up with 20x minus x squared. Is that okay? Usually the equals is on the right hand side, isn't it? So I'd like to keep that the same. So you're going to move them both over. So what happens then? X squared minus equals. Now it's been a while since we did one of these. What letter do they have in common? What's left over then? Perfect. Now there's two parts to this. Here's the two parts. Ready? There's two numbers that are multiplying by each other in this case, okay? The first number is x, and the second number is the x minus 20. What you know is about the answer? It's 0, isn't it? This means one of these numbers must be 0. So either the x is 0, in which case, if the x is 0, that means that you're making no cupcakes. Or if it's x minus 20, what does that mean? X equals 20. You're making 20 cupcakes per hour, and for some reason, you're making no profit. Is that right? Okay. Now, you're going to do exactly the same for the next one, except the p-value is going to be what? So this time it's going to be 84. And you guys are going to try that out yourselves now. So rares. Okay, that's fair enough. These are difficult because they're context questions, all right? So what they're saying here, rares, is they're giving me an equation, okay? See this equation up here? Okay, so see the way P equals 20x minus x squared. You see that? Now, example is, if I put x equal to 1, see x equals to 1? That means I make 1 cupcake per hour. And if I sub in 1, it will tell me how much profit I make from that 1 cupcake. And it'll turn out to be 19. If I make 1 cupcake per hour, I make 19 euro profit. If I make 2 cupcakes per hour, where I changed it to, I'm going to make a different amount of profit this time. What I'll probably make is, what's it? 20 times 2 is 40. 40 take away 4. If I make 2 cupcakes per hour, I get 36 euro profit per hour. Thus only in this question, no other questions, okay? Now, what they're asking me is, what number will cause me to go up to 84? A profit of 84 euro. So, I could keep doing it out. That's called trial and error methods. I could try out 3, 4, 5, and 6. And it could take ages, is the issue. So, Eric, what I'm thinking is, what I do instead is, why don't I just make the p-value 84? So I'm going to make the p-value 84. And now I'm going to solve what x values cause it to be 84. So I move it both to the left-hand sides. You cool with that? And we get, what's it, x squared minus plus 84 equals 0. No, the 84 stays on the left. Now, lads, you have a choice. You can do the minus b formula, or we can try and figure out the factors of 84. Your choice. What you want to do? Factors of 84? Okay, let's try it out. 84, let's start small. 1 and 84, no good. 2 and 42. 4 and... How many times was 4 going to 84? 21 times. Why don't we try 6? 6 and... 6 and 14 will work. How do I know 6 and 14 are going to work? Minus both of them, yeah. And we can get that 20 in the middle, can't we? Is it? It's actually both answers, isn't it? You can make 6 cupcakes per hour, you'll make a profit of 84 quid. Or you can make 14 cupcakes per hour and you'll still make a profit of 84 quid. Is that all right? First question. Did you put h equals 0? Did you move everything to the left? Move everything to the left. What you get? Awesome. Okay. What number do they have in common that could divide into both of them? T and what else? 5. Take out 5t. And what's left over? Now, remember what we said earlier? You sort of shade them both in. Okay, and you go, well, 5t is one answer. And then the other answer is t minus 6. 5t is one answer. And t minus 6 is the other answer. Yellow number multiplied by blue number equals 0. This means that one of them is responsible for it to be being 0. Okay. Yes. Just give it a second. 5t equals 0. What does t equal? 0. T minus 6 equals 0. What does t equal? 6. Your answer is 6 seconds. And it's landed again, hasn't it? Because if you hit the ball upwards, and then it takes 6 seconds to go right back down again and hit the ground. Is that all right? Now, lads, you're going to do 40 next. Obviously. So, question 2, we're looking for a height of 84 meters. So here's how we're going to do it. 84. That might be true, actually. We might have to use the might have to use the minus b formula. Lads, bring everything to the left. 5t squared. Who got 5t squared minus 30t plus 84 equals 0? Anybody get that? You did? Come on. Anybody else get that? Did you get it in a different order? Do you not see what I did? I just moved both of them to the left. Oh, sorry, 40. Oh, God, sorry, guys, 40. Not 84. 40. I had 84 in my head. I think I was talking to somebody earlier. Yeah, is that all right? 40? Right. Wait, yeah, get your signature ready. Now, guys, look at this. I'm going to take the easy way out here. I'm just going to go for the minus b formula. Did some of you get 200 and just use 20 and 10? Fair play to you. Out. Yeah, minus 20, minus 10. Okay. Lads, I'm going to take the safe way out here. I'm going to do the minus b formula. Ready? So this is a bit of practice for yourself. So the a value is whatever comes in front of the letter that's squared. So what's the a value? The b value is whatever comes in front of the letter. So what is it? Minus 30. Minus b value, anybody? 30. C value is the last one. Okay. Now, all we need to do now is write down our formula, all right? All over 2a. Okay. Now, C minus b, what do we replace minus b with? Okay. And what do we replace? Huh? Minus 30 squared, yeah? And after that? Times 5 times 40 all over 5. Now, the hard part is entering this into the calculator. Now, what some of you get confused about is, see this part here? I taught 6th years, 4th years, and 2nd years this, and guess where the mistake is always made? See that blue part? People forget to put in plus, and then you have to do it again using minus. People forget that blue part all the time, and that's what causes problems. Press the fraction button first. Press 30. Press plus. Now, what's the next biggest problem, do you reckon? Brackets are the big one. People don't use brackets, okay? So please use your brackets with the squared on the outside, not the inside. Okay? and then put it all in. Has anybody already got an answer for this? What you get? I got 4, and then I'm also going to get, I got 4 and 2. You have a pen? T equals 2 and T equals 4? Okay. What? The reference method. Here's what we're going to do. Exactly. Eric nailed it. Eric is basically saying, see this W? That W gets replaced with 83. And he's nailed it. And our job is to find out the M value, which is the months. Now, this one's slightly awkward. What makes this question a lot harder than previous questions we did? The fraction, okay? I have no idea what to do with that fraction, all right? Here's what we're going to do with that fraction. You ready? Right. What's a quarter multiplied by M squared? What? Who said that? Perfect. It's a quarter M squared. Is everybody cool with that? Next thing. What is a quarter times 4M? What's a quarter of 4? Who got minus 1M? You cool with that? Because it's a minus 4M. Yeah, my bad. Who can get a quarter of 272? A quarter of 272, lads? Huh? 68. All right. Now, here's my idea for us. Okay. See that equals 83. Does everybody see that equals 83? Doesn't matter if it's on the left side or the right side. Doesn't matter, though. Are you sure? Perfect. I'll tell you why. If I said 5 plus 7 equals 12, does it matter which side I put the 12 on? Do you see what I'm saying? Doesn't matter what side I put the 12 on. We all know that 5 plus 7 equals 12. So I decided to put the 83 on the right-hand side, not the left-hand side. All right, lads, here's what we're going to do. And we're all going to do this together, okay? We're going to use the minus b formula this time. Bring the 83 over. What happens to the 83 when you bring it over? So do 68 minus 83 for me. 68 minus 83. You cool with that? Now, lads, ready? Minus b formula time. What's your a value? Quarter. Your b value? Your minus b value? Your c value? Enter all of those values into the minus b formula and let's see how we get on. Off you go. Yeah, you can't have a minus h though, can you? So what's it? 1. What's a b squared? Lads, is there anybody that's not working out for that you need me to check your calculator? Come up if you're that person. All right, what are the two answers you got? 10 and? Which answer cannot happen? Why? You cool? Okay. Excellent.